Hey everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. And this video is actually about how people are actually now using AI in everything they are doing, like in marketing, in businesses, in entrepreneurship, and everything. But right now, when it comes to taking trades, we have still not started to implement AI. So right now I am actually looking into a strategy, a way of trading, so that you can actually start taking the trades based on AI, and I hope you can help take help from AI. Okay, so right now I'm using ChatGPT as the helping hand for the trading. So right now I have gold right now opened in my screen, so I will just take a screenshot of the gold charts. It's a 1 minute time frame because it's highly volatile, so I will use the lowest time frame to get a smallest stop loss point and everything. So let me paste it here, and I will ask it to let me help with the trading strategy. Okay, so I am writing, can you analyze the chart and help me
That sounds like a
take
solid
a
plan.
trade uh, with a stop loss and take
Absolutely.
profit. Okay, so I've done
Of
this.
course. Let's break it down. So on this 1 minute gold chart, great. Now that you've set your stop loss and take profit levels, just keep an eye on the price action as it unfolds. If anything looks like it's going off track, you can adjust or close early. Good luck with the trade, and if you need any further tweaks or analysis, I'm here.
Although this one is a bit cleaner than the previous chart, what I'm seeing, after the push up to 4655 price and made a sharp drop, now it's forming lower highs, weak pullbacks. Okay, current structure short term bearish with consolidation. Okay, so it says the short term the trend is bearish, so it will help us take a short sell. Trade setup 1 is to 2 risk reward, entry sell around 4647 to 4649 on a small pullback rejection. Stop loss 4653. So it says 4647. 4647. So it has already kind of triggered the sell here, kind of here, because it says between 4647 to 4649. So we have taken a trade at 4649 for a short, and the stop loss is 4653. So here it goes this, and where it is the take profit around 4635. So I put this as 4635. It becomes around 1 is to 4 risk to reward, not 1 is to 2 risk to reward. I don't know why it has suggested, because I had asked it to 1 is to 2 risk reward only. So let me adjust it. I will set it as 1 is to 2 risk to reward. Okay, so let's see how this trade performs. Based on that, we will take our actions. I think it sounds good because it has taken a pullback, a strong pullback, inviting more of the buyers. Now it might trap them and drag them to the stop loss points, to the nearest uh, swing. So let's see what happens. The rejection looked great. It turned out in an opposite direction, but now it seems like it's working fine. Okay, so now it started to form a new candle. Let's see how it performs. It's slowing down, showing a rejection, which is very good. So you can see that the price is actually struggling at this point. It's kind of showing accumulation, and it might get reversed, and it can actually give us good results, and it can definitely fall from here because the price was at a discounted price, and it's very hard for the price to go even long. And even if it goes long, if it hits the stop loss, it can happen in trading. However, I can see that the AI has given a very good entry to us, because even if it does not perform, it's very very hard for the price to uh, outsmart your trade. And look at the price right now. It has made a very good rejection. It's a great red candle, and it might definitely fall back, and definitely the take profit may get hit. So the results of this trade is not that important, because when you are trading, there may be multiple opportunities wherein you will get sometimes it stops out, and sometimes it gives you profit. So the bigger picture is that when you're targeting 1 is to 2 risk to reward ratio, so even if the echo ratio is 50%, you end up getting in profitable situation. So basically, whenever you struggle in strategy part of the things, and you're not able to take trades properly, and you're not able to do it, so you should only focus on the risk to reward ratio. And if you take help from AI, it will definitely give you a good trading results, trading entry and exit points. And see, I also give you one thing, that if you apply too much of your mind, then it will definitely give you psychology issues, you will be impatient in the trade, if it is going to perform or not. So don't apply your brain at all, just follow what the AI says for the entry and exits, and you know just take the trades with good risk to reward ratio, and trust the risk management only. And then I am sure the process will be easier, and you will definitely get good results into this. So that's my video here. I think it was helpful for you all. Thank you so much.